We have seen the pattern of the magnetic field lines produced around a straight wire carrying current. Suppose we bend this wire in the form of a circular loop and a current is passed through it. How would the magnetic field lines look like? Let's check this out. We have taken a circular wire connected in an electric circuit and a sprinkler with iron filings. Sprinkle some iron filings around the coil and insert the plug key to close the circuit. Current starts to flow in the circuit through the coil. We can observe the pattern formed by iron filings. Iron filings are aligning themselves by the magnetic field experienced at each point. We can see that the concentric circular magnetic field lines are becoming straight at the center of the loop. By applying the right-hand rule, we find that every section of the wire is contributing to the magnetic field lines in the same direction within the loop.